I'm at Willie Margaret Enns right now, and I was just taking a picture outside the window. They have a very nice, beautiful yard here. It's just in the beginning of February, and so it's the summertime year, so it's nice and green and everything. But I want to speak with Willie and Margaret here a little bit and ask them a few questions about the ministry here in Bolivia. So we're in their house. They have electricity now, so we're sitting in an air-conditioned room over there. It's the air conditioner, and so it's beautifully comfortable here in this room. Outside it's very, very hot, but this is the time of the year. It's February, so it's a hot season of the year. So Willie and Margaret, thanks for doing the interview. On a typical Sunday morning, what does church look like? What is the attendance of a church service on a typical Sunday morning here in Hacienda Verde?
Well, on this regular Sunday morning, I would say is between 160 to 180 people that attend church service now. And we always have a group that joins in the morning at 8 o'clock in the morning for a small or for a short prayer time. And there's usually about any from 10 to 20 people showing up for that. So it's very encouraging to have a nice group, a nice foundational group of people that come together to support.
And so in the looking into the future and leadership into the church, is there what kind of a work are you doing? Where is this going? Do you have some kind of direction in this area?
We are thinking of, or we are planning to get an advisory board. It's sort of like a board of elders together to lead the church, and that will be the leaders. That will be the board that will be making the decisions as to where the church is going, and those are people that will be from this area, that understand the people coming off the colony, and that can make decisions in the church according to those background.
Margaret, tell me a little bit about you're focusing a little bit on home ministry, women's ministry. There's so many people coming to your houses as well, and I know that you do a lot of cooking because I've eaten here a couple of times. Tell me a little bit about your work, Margaret.
Well, it's kind of a never-ending process. There's young girls that like to come over and chat, and but I am actually having fun. I really am.
Well, thank you, Willie and Margaret. It sounds like you're going to be busy for a little bit yet, and so, but it's exciting work. The Lord is working. There's people coming to the Lord with baptism, with membership, with testimonies getting shared and how they're getting saved, and so the Lord is working here. Thank you very much for your time.